How to install SAS Scandinavian Airlines app. So just tap get and then you'll be able to install it. Double click to install. Yeah, this is like airlines journeys that matters. Select your destination, low price calendar, all your trips in one place, customize your trip, real-time flight tracking, keep track of your points. Yeah, easy access to boarding pass, keep track of boarding progress, dark theme available. Check in from the comfort of your home and get your boarding pass on your phone for easy access even when you don't have Wi-Fi. So manage your booking, change it if you need to, and get flight updates sent to your phone. Easy check-in. So entertainment, sustainability. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then you can just open the app and then you can allow notifications. So this is, just like an airline. It's, Scandinavian is like Danish airline. And then, yeah, you can just, install it and then you can book here. You can see some offers in this app. Of course, you can check in, you can add your booking, and you just have it in your app, similar as you have like your Norwegian or you have Vueling or United apps. So yeah, if you fly often with some kind of type of airline, I highly recommend you just to also install the app, and then you will just be able to see upcoming trips. You'll be able to book it. Then you will see your profile, and then you will see more. So then, yeah, then you also can see some flight statuses. Yeah, gift cards. You can also buy a gift cards for someone so they can book flights and save some money. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. You can see your settings, and yeah, so that's the idea. You can also just register with SAS app, and then you can get code and then register your bonus account with SAS and get some nice deals and all of that. So yeah, hope that is helpful, and thanks for watching.